All right, welcome to another video. This is a big deal. First concrete of the year. Oh, 100,000 pounds of truck. We did not pour this slab. Bickford's did. The fellow in the green shirt over there is Mike. That's kind of a rare photo to see him actually just standing still. The guys in the back are Rick, and I couldn't see the other guy. But they're waiting for the next load to get unpoured. This is a 24 by 24. It's going to be a Cape style garage. You'll have two 9 by 7 doors on the front. You can see the way it's excavated around there. They hit ledge in places, but they've made a swale all the way around to keep everything dry, to keep the water running off from the upper bank, to keep it running around the edge, around the perimeter, so it doesn't come down onto the concrete. They are actually going to pour 5-foot high concrete walls on top of at least 3 of those walls. So you can see that's a bit of a wet mixture, but they added a water reducer, so it will set up quicker overall. Excuse my jerky drone operation. These guys do a lot of concrete. You can see it. They have the grade stakes placed out there with typically they'll put a nail at the correct height, and then they'll know where to bring the concrete out in the middle so that there won't be any low spots. Typically, something like this will take around 12 to 13 yards of concrete. You can see they actually have a cordless power screed. Well, it's pretty sharp. I'm a little jealous of that. Mine's just a gas powered, but I love it. So now they're power troweling. This is 5 or 6 hours after they poured it, is about how long it took to get onto it. You can see the rebar sticking straight up around the perimeter. That's so that they can attach the frost walls to it, knee walls. That's a 36-inch power trowel. The power trowel operator is Ben. He can run just about any piece of equipment professionally. You can see on the back of his shirt, Bickford's. They're well known around this area. They do a great job. You can see that cut in the ground in the back. There's a swale in behind there so that water won't come towards the concrete or the building when it's done. Just a little squirt of water on the slab helps it to give it that nice smooth finish. So there you have it. I'll try to get a shot of the walls when they get those up. Here we're doing a roof that wasn't really, I did it 30 years ago. It's hard to believe I had to replace a roof already, but 30 years is a good amount. It just lost the luster on the roofing. It wasn't leaking or anything. but they wanted to pretty up the house. So the plan is we're going, with 3 of us here, we're going to tip 3 sheets up, and then we're going to roof the back. We'll keep watch of whether the wind picks up or not. So, onto the back. Don't really bat your fingers. So we don't really do house roofs anymore. Dan thought I was talking to him. I'm actually talking to you. Yeah. So I did this roof 20 years ago. It was a metal roof. We stripped it all off, putting on new metal, same color, except after 20 years it's lost the luster on top, so the snow doesn't shed like it used to. So when we get done, it will. Want me to hold that, Chad, or anything? Woo! 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 We got to pull that up just a little bit. Yeah, that'll do. Hold it right there. Can you let it down at 1/8?
Sure. Up there.
Yep. Hold it.
Perfect.
It's begun. Oh, you got the DeWalt. Are you able to drag up the next one?
Oh, yeah.
So, I'm not really comfortable screwing them on down at the bottom.
Huh?
I don't like that.
Ladder?
Pardon me?
Get a ladder and do that?
I think somebody should be down there. Or we can get it after. We'll just put the bulk of the roofing on. Look at tough guy, no gloves. You got it. I'm letting go. I'm letting go.
Letting go, you said?
So are you flush with that one?
Flush here.
That's not good. What's up with that? Why is that? No. That's no overhang at all.
Well, it looks like it'd be done. think it's coming up.
Huh?
Looks like it's coming uphill.
Oh, okay. Well, let it down an inch. You were flush, right?
Yes, it were.
Man.
There's an inch.
Okay. We got to redo that first sheet.
Pulling this back.
Hope it rains.
Camera knows this is not in reverse.
Right. So, Dan, can you make a mark up there, and so we can go down 1 inch?
I'm going to lay this off the edge.
Or, oh, okay.
I'm just going to something.
I guess Chad can get it in a minute, actually.
He has his pro markers. I got blue and black and blue. Wow. You're doing
What? This weather, I can't believe it. So we'll leave that screw for just. What's that? We have to drop the sheet an inch. So if you can make a mark across the top. Yeah.
We're going to have to straighten it out.
No, it just has to go down an inch. Let me put. Okay.
It's good along the edge.
He said it was.
It looks good.
Yep. Okay. So pull that screw. And want to drop an inch. Good. Do you have a screw without a? Okay. Reluctantly okay. I'm letting go.
Okay, holding.
Okay.
Go. Go.
Is that the wind? Wow.
Hold low for you.
Yeah, good idea. Letting go. You're flush up there?
Yeah.
Can you pull it up a quarter? Good there?
Yeah.
All right.
All right. Yeah.
More?
How about that?
Give us more.
Well, the next one is knocked out and knocked in.
Yeah. We'll call you out some measurements. Good thinking. Excuse me. Are you ready?
Will you know, man? Okay, I'll pass it off. I don't want to access here. So cut off this end, correct? Cut off that end.
Yeah. So from the top left, 26 inches over. Yep. Then down 13. Nice. So we have 3 sheets on, cutting around the chimney. Then we'll continue on.
Damn, it's like awesome action with Cat and I. Again?
What'd you do?
Nothing? I don't know.
Oh, the camera was on.
Oh, good.
I just redid it.
Oh, good. Okay, let's see. Oh, or we're here.
Letting go. What's wrong with that? Perfect. Everything.
What is this?
So we may get it after all. We're working on the front now. Hopefully we can get the ridge cap on. It stopped raining, but the wind picked up pretty good. And my camera blew off the roof, so it's kind of broken a little bit, the tripod. Hopefully it's all right. Well, we got it in. This was a pretty bad weather day. We had sunshine, we had rain, sleet, and hail. But we got it. All I have to do now is walk down off the roof. Ridge cap came out perfect. All right. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little video. Thanks.